This medical workstation cart gives you nearly limitless angle adjustment and all of the mobility of a smaller wheeled stand, making it a perfect addition to a nurse's station, doctor's office, or lab room. The cart comes with a VESA Plate, which is compatible with any 75 by 75 and 100 by 100 VESA standard devices or screens. It tilts and rotates 360 degrees on an angle adjustable arm. The VESA stand's arm is attached to the end of the spacious anti-microbial work surface, perfect for a keyboard, power supply, or other accessories. A dedicated power strip compartment located underneath ensures that your charge cables stay connected and out of sight. The cart also features a smooth, intuitive standing desk-style height adjustment mechanism. Simply grab the two adjustment handles on the cart's underside and gently pull to achieve your desired height. 4 locking swivel casters give you ease rolling on flat surfaces. It can also be equipped with a metal basket and tub holder for a complete setup.